Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to install Android TV on a USB drive. Just go to a trusted source or the official Android TV OS page and make sure the image file version is compatible with your hardware. Download and save it somewhere to easy find it. Now you'll need the software to write the Android TV image onto your USB. For Windows users, we're going to use the Rufus tool. Just go to the Rufus official website and download the latest version. Run the installer and follow the steps to set it up. Now insert your USB drive into the computer and open Rufus. Select your USB drive from the list of available drivers and format it to FAT32 for best compatibility. Just note that formatting will erase all files on the USB drive. Just back up anything important first. Now in Rufus, load the Android TV image file you downloaded and select your USB drive as the destination. Click Start and wait until the process finishes. Just don't remove the USB during setup. Now restart your computer. As it powers up, repeatedly press the BIOS key and go to the boot menu section. Set your USB drive as the first boot device, then save changes and exit BIOS. Once your system restarts, it should boot directly into Android TV setup mode. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.